What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add crossplay friends in Battlefield REDSEC. The process is pretty simple, but there are a couple of things you need to check first. Start by pressing options and going down to the system menu. Make sure crossplay is turned on. If you are already in a match, you may not be able to toggle it, so just back out to the main menu if needed. Once crossplay is enabled, press options again and then open EA Connect by pressing R2 on PlayStation, RT on Xbox or the tab key on PC. When EA Connect opens, press R1 or RB to switch over to the player search tab. From here, just type in your friend's name. Their EID or platform ID works. After you enter it, select done and you'll see a list of matching profiles across different platforms. When you find your friend, select their name and press cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox to send the friend request. They just need to go into their friend request tab inside EA Connect and accept it. Once that's done, they'll show up in your friends list and you can invite them straight into your game. You can also check the recently made section to add players you have run into during matches. Another option is to hold down the options button during a match. Highlight a player in your current lobby and press L2 or LT to view their profile and send a friend request directly that way. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.